Before we start, I want you to do something. Say this sentence out loud. I'm learning English every day. Go ahead, say it. Good. Now, remember how you sounded, because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to challenge you to improve that sentence. Not tomorrow, not next month, right now. Most people think better pronunciation takes years, but that's not completely true. Sometimes the biggest improvement comes from training differently. Today, we're going to use a technique called shadowing. You'll listen, you'll speak with me, and by the end of this video, I want you to compare your voice to the beginning. You might be surprised by what you hear. My name is Henry. Welcome to Simple Spoken. Let's begin. What is shadowing? Shadowing is one of the most powerful speaking exercises for English learners. Here's how it works. I speak, and you speak with me, not after me, with me. Like a shadow follows a person. Today, we're training 3 things: clear sounds, natural rhythm, and confident speaking. We'll start easy, then we'll level up. Ready? Let's go. Our first sentence is, I'm starting to feel more confident in English. Listen first. I'm starting to feel more confident in English. Now shadow me. 3, 2, 1. I'm starting to feel more confident in English. Again. I'm starting to feel more confident in English. One more time. I'm starting to feel more confident in English. Excellent. Now notice something. Native speakers don't make every word equally strong. Listen again. I'm starting to feel more confident in English. The important words become stronger. Let's try it together. I'm starting to feel more confident in English. Beautiful. And if that felt difficult, that's okay. You just practiced connected speech. Most learners never do that. You're already improving. A student named Carlos once sent me a message. He said, Henry, I understand English videos, but when I speak, I don't sound confident. 3 weeks later, he sent another message. The difference surprised him. His grammar hadn't changed much, his vocabulary hadn't changed much, but his rhythm sounded smoother. And that's exactly what we're working on next.
Our next sentence is one you'll hear all the time. Could you tell me a little more about that? Listen carefully. Could you tell me a little more about that? Did you hear the rhythm? Not every word is strong. Listen again. Could you tell me a little more about that? Now shadow me. 3, 2, 1. Could you tell me a little more about that? Again. Could you tell me a little more about that? One more time. Could you tell me a little more about that? Great work. And if you feel like you're tripping over the words a little, good. That's a sign your brain is learning something new. Listen to yourself. Your rhythm is already smoother than it was 2 minutes ago. And now comes the final challenge, the sentence most learners struggle with.
Okay, no more training wheels. This time, we'll speak a little faster. Don't worry if you miss a word, just keep going. Our sentence is, I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. Listen first. I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. Notice how native speakers connect the words together. Looking forward to, not looking forward to. Everything flows. Now, let's shadow together. 3, 2, 1. I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. Again, I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. One more time. I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. Excellent. That was natural speed, and you did it. Now, let's go back to the sentence from the beginning. Say it one more time. I'm learning English every day. Listen carefully. Compare it to how you sounded 5 minutes ago. Do you hear the difference? Maybe your speech feels smoother. Maybe your rhythm feels more natural. Maybe your confidence feels a little stronger. That's not talent, that's practice, and you just did it. If you finish today's shadowing session, go to the comments and type "done" and tell me which country you're learning English from. I love seeing our global learning community grow. And tell me which sentence was the hardest for you today. I read the comments and I do my best to help. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Simple Spoken. Every week we practice real English for real life. I'm Henry, and remember, your English is enough. Goodbye for now.